Hello, in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn on encryption on your drive using Windows BitLocker. To find BitLocker option, go to the Windows Start and click on the Settings. Next, click on the Storage and follow this up with Advanced Storage Settings. Now choose Disk and Volumes. In the new window, select drive that you want to encrypt, click on it and go to Properties. At the bottom of the page, you have option to turn on BitLocker. Click on it. From this menu, we can choose option to encrypt our device, but first I am going to share a much simpler option to start encryption. To do that, simply go to your Windows Explorer and right-click on the disk that you want to encrypt and select option Turn on BitLocker. Once presented with this window, you can choose between two options. Insert an USB flash drive and enter a password. In my case, I will do it with the password. Here you can select how you want to backup your recovery key. Keep in mind that this is crucial for the whole process and you need to store it safely. Ideally, you want to use option with the Microsoft account, but you can of course choose any other option as well. In my case, I will select to print the recovery key and save it to the file on my local drive so I can use it later on. These options can be used to decide whether you want to only encrypt the data that is already on your drive or to encrypt the whole drive including any blank space that you have on it. The second option takes way longer, so I will go with the first one in this scenario. In this window you can select between these two options. The first one is for the fixed hard drive that you may have on your laptop on your PC. The second option is used for the USB, flash drive and external hard drives. Windows 11 will present you with the option to run system check. I advise you to leave it just in case of any failures. Once we hit on the continue, your system will need to be restarted in order to start the encryption. After system restart, you will need to provide password that you use in your initial setup. Once logged back in the system, you should see the message that encryption is in process. You can click on that window to see the progress. Don't worry if it takes too long, as it is usual behavior. Once encryption is done, you can see the BitLocker setting simply by going to the settings and then finding settings for the BitLocker and clicking on it. This window is used to manage your BitLocker. You can suspend the protection in case of any failures or if you need to do some maintenance on a drive that requires it. You can also change the backup recovery key and select any of the options that you have seen before. You can also change the password or remove the existing one, and of course you can completely turn off the BitLocker. Just keep in mind it will take quite a long time to decrypt all of your files. Now, just so you know how it looks like, I'll open the BitLocker recovery that I've saved before. As you can see, the main part here is made from the identifier and the recovery key. Please make sure that you have it stored safely somewhere where you can access this in the future. And that's it for this video. You now know how to use BitLocker on your Windows 11 device. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and I see you in the next one.